Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In here, I wanna show you how to add Polaroid effect on Snapchat apps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat and click this emoticon. This one, click on it. And then in here, you can click on the explore. This one, click on it. And in here you can search Polaroid. In here you can search Polaroid, and then in here you can see many Polaroid effect on Snapchat. You can click everything you like. In here I wanna this one like this. This finish. So that how to add Polaroid effect on Snapchat. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider subscribe and happy editing guys. Bye bye.